So I also hear all the time, what should I do to be an affiliate marketer? So I'm gonna break it down, kind of simple. So if you go on Google and you put in what companies have an affiliate marketing program, you're gonna probably see a crap ton of information. So I'm gonna kind of break it down just really simple. Let's say you're in health and fitness and you use protein powder every day. You can actually go to that company and ask, or scroll to the bottom and see if they have an affiliate, program. If they have an affiliate marketer program, you can apply for that. And if they grant you to be one of their affiliate marketers, you can promote that product. So you can actually get on TikTok, you can make protein shakes, you can make protein pancakes, whatever you want to make, and then put that on TikTok. And if someone is interested in that same protein powder you're using, you will have a link that they can click on, and every time they click on that link, you will earn a commission.